Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video I'm going to review Terra Luna and why I just bought 3 million tokens of Luna in the middle of this fiasco. I will going to show you my strategy from Thursday. I will tell you exactly why I bought these 3 million tokens. We are going to see a little bit of technical analysis about Luna, even if it's really down. And we are going to cover the last news of Terra Foundation and what could happen in the near future. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's go into it. Well guys, Thursday I did this video, Terra Luna Ocean Strategy. In that video I explained my strategy at that moment. Of course, it didn't went well in terms of price action, but I bought $1,000 in Luna at $1 in price. But the strategy still is in place. This is a low risk and high reward strategy. Even at that moment, for me, losing that money is really not important. But the rewards could be huge if Terra Foundation do something at least to revert a little the situation. But in this video I want to show you why I just bought 3 million Luna tokens. I bought them here in Binance. You can see that right now you have still the trading pair between Luna and BUSD. Luna USDT has been delisted and many other pairs in many exchanges. Binance actually is really upset, I would say, CC with all the Luna situation and how the CEO of Terra Luna managed it all. You can see all the tweets of CC regarding that. He has been very public and explicit about that. You cannot leverage futures anymore with Luna. That will be great for me in this trade that I am doing. But the thing is that I bought in a spot position of Luna tokens against BUSDT. You can see also this warning that the price of this token is highly volatile right now. So this is something that is only appearing in this token. And I just bought, if you can see my trading history, I bought $0.0009, $289 of Terra Luna at that moment. That was 3.1 million tokens. So basically my entry price was at 0.4009. That was $289, which is really nothing on my portfolio. You can use this data to manage a percentage on your portfolio. I know that for many people $300 is obviously nothing, and it's the same for me, but maybe for other person that is investing in crypto, $300 makes a difference. So we need to respect that, and we don't need to compare each other of the value of the trades or of the value of the investments. We need to compare and do the percentage of that. So the current price is 0.0004. So if you divide the current price for the entry price, you will get the amount of exits that I am. This is temporary gains because I didn't close that, I didn't sell yet. So I am 4 and 4.5 exits up in value. Well, it's a little down here, but almost is a 4 here. It's different if you check in TradingView because the data currently is not stable across the platforms, but because I bought it in Binance, I will manage the price of Binance, which is the one that I can sell right now. So basically I will be selling soon because I am already 4.4 exits on this spot trading. This is a low amount invested, so I don't mind if this continue going down when I enter at deep price. I did a little of technical analysis at that moment. I saw that we were breaking some support areas here. This was a really bottom. It will be amazing to buy Luna at this moment. You can see that we have this ascending triangle here. This broke to the upside. And after I saw some very good positions for support and resistance, I bought Luna at those levels, and actually we already went almost to 4.7, 3.047. So right now we are in an uptrend, guys. Here, since we hit this bottom, this was like 6 zeros and a 6 after. So really low. It's almost dead. But I just want to make this video to show you that in these times you have also great opportunities. For me, if I sell right now, that probably I will do after this video, I will check a very good exit entry. I will be having $1,275, which basically is what I put here in this strategy. I bought Luna at $1 with 1,000. So I probably will be recovering my money for that strategy, and I will keep that amount of Luna just in case that something miracle happened to recover all that. So yeah guys, so I bought Luna at 0.0009 and I bought 3 million Luna tokens. Again, still you can apply my strategy. I recommend you to see this video because it makes really sense and it's a mathematical video. So at this point, if you have, I don't know, $100 that you can really afford to lose in any case, you can buy a bunch of Luna tokens. And I think if the Terra Foundation is not happening right now, but I recommend you to check this Twitter and also the Twitter of the CEO. If they put one good news, one news that could trigger some faith on a recovery and the people that lose their money having some recovery, I think still that Luna token will pump a lot. So it could go to 0.001 or 0.005. So we could do like 10x's from here. I think a good news from Terra Foundation will create that hype to this to go to the upside. Because you can see that there are many people still trading this. This is not only me. There are a lot of speculation, and right now this is the most volatile asset in the crypto space. All the rest of the market, if you see, is in red right now, not much volatility, but actually Luna is the only token that is up in the last 24 hours. So yeah, that is all for this video. I wanted to share all this information with you. Of course, these trades are high risk, but that is why I am using a very low amount in my investment. You can see that almost 300 USD for my portfolio is really nothing, but I already did 4.4x's. And even if this is not too much money for me neither, what is important here is the recovery percentage on your exits of your gains. Again, you don't need to compare the value that I manage or any other manage. You need to compare the percentage of earnings. So right now, this chart is really good for trading actually. You have high volatility, which is what you need. Again, this is high risk scalping trades. I started this yesterday. I will close it today. So I am not planning to hold these 3 million tokens for much. And this is a low amount of investment because of the risk, but the returns could be really good. Imagine that I just bought that, went to sleep and just wake up on this Saturday and I am 4.4x's. This is when you will say, well, why I didn't put $10,000 on this investment, right? But that is not correct. This is not the way think about these investments that way. I never will put $10,000 buying at this level because that will be super high amount of investment for me. Well guys, that is all my update for Terra Luna. I just bought 3 million. I am planning to sell it very soon. I am 4.4x's up. Check the video. What do you think about this strategy? Also check my other video if you didn't saw about the long-term strategy that maybe with a miracle in Luna you can make a lot of money still. And again, sorry for all the people that lost money with UST and Luna tokens. I really empathize with all of you guys and I'm really sorry for that. Before we leave, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you Monday with a new video. Bye.